Materials that let electricity pass through them easily are called electrical conductors. Materials such as iron, copper and steel are good electrical conductors. This is why these materials are used inside cables and electrical devices. For example, the metal used in plugs allows electricity to transfer from the wall socket through the plug and into a device such as a TV. Materials that do not allow electricity to pass through them easily are known as electrical insulators. These include plastic, wood and rubber. That is why these materials are used to cover materials that carry electricity. For example, the plastic covering that surrounds wires and cables is an electrical insulator, and this stops you from getting an electric shock when handling these objects.